Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you a new concept in data envelopment analysis, applicability conditions for Formula 1. So earlier I have derived the Formula 1, that is efficiency score equals to output value divided by input value. Now I will explain under which condition it is applicable. The efficiency formula in 1 is valid for single input, single output DMUs comparisons when input homogeneity, the input across all DMUs is of same type, that is currency. In the above example, the input across all DMUs uses the same measurement unit, that is 10,000 in the above example. Similarly, output homogeneity, the output across all DMS is of same type, that is currency in the above example. The output across all DMS uses the same measurement unit, that is 10,000 in the above example. In the above example means once again I will show you which examples I am talking. See the first one, before deriving the formula 1 I have taken this one as investment as input and return as output. You can see here for beans the type is currency and the unit is in thousand, and for corns also the type is currency, the unit is 10,000. For output, that is return, is also same. For beans the type is currency, the unit is 1000. For corns the type is currency and the unit is 10,000, that is we can say 1000. So in this case I'm in which condition the formula 1 is applicable, I will explain through one example, then it is very easy to understand. Now consider an example. Input and output types differ from each other. Example here in third, cross category flexibility, input and output types may differ, that is input is currency, output is quantity, then also it is applicable the formula 1. Now here you can see for input investment is there, that is in 30,000, and the output is yield, that is 1.5 ton. If you can see here input is in currency and the unit is 10,000 and output is the quantity, unit is in ton, but we can still apply the formula 1. Here you can see for input for corn is also same, that is the type is currency and unit is 1000, and for output also the type is quantity and unit is ton. So applying the formula 1 we got 0.5 for beans and 0.6 for corn. Corn is still the efficient DMU. So in this case also the efficiency formula 1 remains applicable when homogeneous input with unit conversion, inputs are of identical type, that is example monetary investment, measurement units differ, that is 10,000 or it may be 1000, unit may differ, that is if unit is not same must convert to common units before calculation. Similarly for homogeneous output with unit conversion, I will explain you with one example, then it is very easy to understand. An example, output across DMUs are measured in different units. You can see in this example input is the investment, here the type is currency and unit is also same, but while coming to the output it is in quintal, it is in ton. Unit are not same but the quantity is same, both are in same quantity but units are different, but still we can use the formula 1 by to compute the efficiency score using the formula 1. Convert output to common unit, ton or quintal, because in output the unit is not same, 15 in quintal, 1.2 in ton. So we can use the formula 1 for efficiency calculation, but what we have to do, we have to convert either both in ton or both in quintal. If both in ton, the value of beans is 0.5 and corn is 0.6. If both in quintal, the value is beans is 5 and corn is 6. Still we get corn is the efficient DMU consisting the result from either case. Now consider if units are not converted, then the formula enormously computes the efficiency score as 5 for beans and 0.6 for corns, falsely identifying the beans as the efficient DMU. So without converting the unit, if we apply the formula, we may get the wrong result. Example, I will say, consider I am having 10 lakh rupees and someone is having 1 crore rupees. So how can we add it? Because if you, now you compare 10 lakh and 1 crore, 10 is more in number, 1 is less in number, but unit is different. If I say I'm having 10 lakh, another person, I will convert 1 crore into lakh, that is 100 lakh, then I can say that I am having 110 lakh. So it is very important to convert the unit, otherwise by seeing the number we cannot compare which one is better. Example, I have given you 1 lakh, 1 crore and 10 lakh. I have example now I have given you. So the conversion is very important. Without conversion it might be very difficult. Next I will explain you. The same unit standardization applies when inputs across all DMUs are both inputs and outputs across DMUs are measured in different units. So next one, it may also be possible that in a set of DMUs more than one DMUs are efficient. In this case, here compare the type is also same, unit is also same. Next output, if you consider, type is also same, unit is also same. We got here 2 DMU efficient. It may possible. It is not compulsory that is only one DMU is efficient. In some cases more than one DMUs may get efficient. Here we got both DMUs, that is both beans and corns are efficient in this case. Next, coming to a multi-input scenario, I will explain you in this next time when I will prepare the part 4. Today I am only explaining the part 3. Step by step I am explaining. So once again I will revise what the conclusion for today's video. It is a very simple, how in which part we have under what condition we will use the efficiency formula. So applicability conditions for formula 1, again I will consider example only. Input is the investment, output is the yield, but here you can see for beans input is 3 in 10,000, that is type is currency, unit is 1000, and same input for corn is also type is currency and unit is 1000. And now coming to the output, here is 1.5 in ton and 1.2 in ton, so type is same and unit is also same. So thank you friends. Next time I will explain you for multi-input scenario. Thank you for your valuable time giving and watching these videos. Thank you so much.